Hey everyone, this video is video number 2 in the Fiat 500 series. This video is on replacing the daytime running lights. It will also help you with replacing the front-facing turning signals. They're housed in the same area and therefore it's essentially the same instructions. Don't forget to look at our other videos in the series, including the first video, which shows you how to install a hitch. This video is demonstrated on a Fiat 500e, but this should be essentially the same for all of the Fiats in the 500 series, although perhaps not the L. The first step is to turn the steering wheel all the way to the opposite side of the bulb you're replacing. So if you're replacing the driver's side, as is shown here, turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. If you're replacing the passenger side, then turn the wheel all the way to the left. Now locate the door that's straight behind the bulb you're replacing. There's a black tab on the outermost side of that door, and just squeeze it. Pull the door out. The door is not hinged, it's on tabs. Next, you're going to locate the circular weatherproof cap located right essentially in front of you. You're going to rotate it about a quarter turn counterclockwise and then just pull it out. Next, you're going to locate your two bulbs, the bulb on the bottom, the one with that white socket, that is the bulb for the turning signal. The bulb for the daytime running lights is directly above it. So I'm putting that back in because I realized that was for the turning signal. I'm replacing the daytime running lights, and looking up there, that's the daytime running lights. Similar socket, pulling that out, and that's what that bulb looks like. To reinstall the bulb, simply reverse the process. The other side, the passenger side, is essentially the same. There are a couple of wires in front of the weatherproof cover, so you just have to manage through those. If you enjoyed this video, please consider a thumbs up, and if you enjoy the series, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.